What's up, baked cupcake? Isn't it pretty? It looks like Arizona iced tea. We've already made something out of it. How be the Ken doing today? He's over there. Oh, Wyatt's asking how you're doing. He said, I'm doing. Yeah, Cupcake, if you want to see what we made already out of this fabric. It's currently attached to a human. You're like behind. You like pick the one spot that's like you're hidden behind.
Look at this shirt that we made.
Check it out.
Yeah.
Now we're making a bucket hat to match it. He made the shirt though, because he's been learning how to sew. But I'm gonna make the bucket hat for him because I don't want him to decide to never learn sewing again. Isn't the hood cool? Is this song really loud right now? It is loud. Turn that down a little bit. Sorry, guys. Sometimes the song requests, they have different volumes. How much for a tie made of that red, yellow, and black pattern fabric? Oh, I don't know. Probably not that much. You can DM me about it.
Wanted a tie, didn't he?
Yeah, that's what he's asking.
I'll make it for you, Wyatt, and I'll kiss it and I'll send it to you. It'll be sent with love.
There's an annoying seam involved with ties.
I won't actually try to make it. I'll just fucking throw a bunch of fabric in a box.
Why does this dude's voice sound like it's AI? Yeah. I'm gonna eat, if that's okay, you guys. Sorry. Can you type important videos? I did notice the guy put a little bit of tuning on his voice. Yeah. I'm just gonna eat. So here's some memes.
What is this?
It's the important videos playlist.
Oh, this is what we're watching while you eat?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Or just casually throws it into second gear and drives on, or third gear, drives on.
Is that what he did?
I think I couldn't see it very well. Yeah, he definitely started in third. Bro said, "This'll do." Fever dream video.
It's good, huh? What? Did someone throw something at him?
Yeah.
Fine, Berea, mate.
Oh, hello, boy.
I didn't feel it. Yeah, but it's an immortal video. Hey, Junk.
Look at this guy's head. You see what I mean? It's just like
Yeah, it's like straight down. There's a TV in front of him. Good morning.
oh. You don't want to it?
Oh. I believe that video was titled "Man Yells Meow at an Egg."
Paul Blart, we trust.
Fuck. Bazinga. You have a friend that's a mall cop? Bubbler, mall cop.
Falling apart.
Okay, after this one more. One more.
Four.
One more. Unless the next one's not funny. The next one is not funny. Okay, this is the last one. Huh. This break, food break, brought to you in part by the Important Videos playlist. Yeah, it's a good video playlist. It's called Important Videos. You're welcome. You know, David is responsible for the for all the 90s dance music playlists.
Oh, nice.
Because at one point we were playing Rust, and we were running around chopping wood, and then all I hear is just David's mic just open, and he's just going. Da 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 dee da da da. And I was like, David, what are you listening to? And he sent me it was a 90s dance music playlist, and now ever since then, every once in a while, I put on a 90s dance music playlist. Okay, I want to interface literally everything.
Literally.
Literally all of it. He was having a good old time, and I wanted a good old time as well. I mean, I can send you the playlist I usually use. Is it marvelous how it took me 27 years to figure out what a swingers club was? Considering I listened to that when I was 4. A swingers club? Are you sure you know what it is?
Isn't that just where everybody there is willing to fuck everybody there?
Yeah, everyone there is willing to trade their wife and their husband and for a night.
They will never forget.
For a night they will never forget. Or wish they had.
Or wish they had.